All right, this one is going to be the continuing story of Bungalow Bill by the Beatles from the White Album. So this is John Lennon at his snarky best. This is a great tune about a big tough guy, big game hunter who has to bring his mommy along on the trip so she can tell him how fierce he looks when he's about to get eaten by a tiger. So I love this kind of stuff. So we got a little classical guitar kind of intro. And it's picked with a pick and it's really fast, so don't worry about trying to do it exactly like it is on the record. We're gonna do this little riff. So we have 4 and the 2, 0, 1, 0, and then we go. We'll do 2 double pull-offs on the 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0. So it's 2, 4 with the opens, 4, 0, 1, 0, and then 3, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0. And then we're gonna have some 16th notes after this. So 2, 0 on the G, and then 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, and then one more 3, 2, 0 on that D. So it's. And then we got to jump up to this higher C here because we don't have those lower strings. So we go. So that last measure here is 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2. And then the last thing is open G, 3, 2, and then kind of slowly up that rake of those notes there again. So once again, that was. Okay, that's our intro. So one more time. Then we're in the chorus of the song. We got C to G coming up. We're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so C to G. C this time. That's what I love about this tune too, is it's got some really weird chords coming in here. And you have the total breakdown when it gets to the verse where everything gets a lot slower than this chorus. So we got hey, Bungalow Bill, F minor. What did you kill? F minor again. Bungalow Bill. G for just 2 beats right there. Okay, so it's hey, Bungalow Bill. What did you kill? Bungalow 1, 2, hey. Okay, so after we had 2 beats on G, we had A to E, then A to D minor, A, D minor again, and then E for 4. Okay, so once again through the chorus, 2, 3, and C to F minor, again, G for 2 beats, 1, 2, A to E, A, D minor, again, E for 4. So that's going to be our verse. So we slow way down. We got A minor for 2. And you could do like a 1, 2, and 1, 2, and to the C there. And then F, 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 G, G, G. And then back to the A minor. Okay, so we did all that twice. Let's do that again. 3 and 4 and A minor to C, F, and then F to G, A minor C, F, F G. Now we're gonna go E to G, A minor, F minor, 3, 1, 1, 1. We hold that one. So let's look at that verse again. In case of accidents, he always brought his mom. Hold that F minor. All the children sing, boom, boom, boom. You got 3 little beats there, and then we're back to our chorus. D minor, E for whole bar, another verse, A minor C, F, F G, A minor, C, F, F, G, E this time, to G, A minor, F minor, hold it. All the children sing, doom, doom, doom. Hey, bungalow, 1, 2. Okay, another verse. F, G. F, G. Then we're going E major to G, A minor, F minor. All the children sing, boom, boom, boom. One, two. Start repeating choruses. Okay, then we have this little riff. Okay, so that's 1 on the 2nd string. 0, 1, 3, 1. And then 1 on the 3rd string. 3 open on the D to the G string open. So it's. And then 1 on the G string. 3, O, G. And then 3, O, 1, O. So that's 3 on the big one, O, 1, O on the G. So. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Flip the 1. Now the second half of that starts on the 2 of the G string. 0, 1, 4, 2. And then we got to jump up to this higher octaves because we don't have those low notes. So we go. So little 1, 3 open on the 2nd to the open on the 1st. And then 3, 0, 1, O. So that new part was 2 here. And then little 1. Okay, so let's go through the whole riff again. 2, 3, 4. And then the 2. Let's do it again. 3, 4. 2, 3, and. Okay, so quick review, Bungalow Bill. And. One, 2. 2, 3, and the verse. American bullet-headed Saxon mother's son. All the children sing. Okay, so that's about it. Hopefully the mom got it too in the end. Anyway, just kidding. Y'all have a good day. Peace out. Talk to you soon.